After you submit an eligibility request, either for a single patient or for multiple patients for a particular appointment date range, you are automatically transferred to the Submitted List tab. If for some reason you are not there, you can easily access this list by clicking the Payer Inquiries tab, then the Eligibility tab, and then the Submitted List tab. If a patient account was entered in the account number field above, you will only see submitted request for that patient. If a patient account is not entered, you will see the submitted request for all patients. For either case, you have the ability to modify the submitted date range, as well as select a sort by option as needed to locate those specific eligibility requests you want to view. As was covered in the previous videos, the eligibility replies are color-coded to assist you when viewing. A submitted eligibility will remain green until a response is received. A red reply indicates that the submission was rejected because something was missing or incorrect in the eligibility submission. A black reply indicates a successful transaction, but does not necessarily mean the patient is eligible. First, we will look at a black reply, a successful transaction. If there are only green requests, simply click the refresh button and the request will eventually turn to a black or red response. To view the reply, double-click the applicable reply, or highlight that reply, and then click the View Reply button. The report viewer will then open and the eligibility information will be displayed. This is a good representation of what will be reported back to you. You will see the subscriber information and then the benefits information summarized. The eligibility reply will typically contain the information that you can get via the insurance company's website. You have the ability to print this eligibility report by clicking the printer icon if needed. When finished, we can close out of the report viewer. This process can then be repeated for viewing other successful replies. Next, we will look at a red reply, a submission that was rejected because certain information was missing or incorrect. There are a variety of reasons of why a particular request could be rejected, from connectivity errors to patient or insurance or provider information errors. As before, if there are only green requests, simply click the refresh button and the request will turn to a black or red response. To view the reply, double-click the applicable reply, or highlight that reply, and then click the View Reply button. The report viewer will then open and the eligibility information will be displayed. For the rejected errors, you will notice that an asterisk will appear next to the error. Here, your staff will be able to locate the error, troubleshoot that error, and then resubmit the request. In our example, it happens to be the subscribed or insured was not found. Therefore, there is a problem with this patient's insurance information. We can then print the reply if needed, and then close the report viewer, troubleshoot the insurance information for that patient, and change any incorrect information in the applicable areas of Practice Manager, and then quickly resubmit this request using the Copy button.